Hello, welcome to ProgramHut. In this video, we will learn how to install Android Studio in Mac as well as in Windows. So let's get started. Go to google.com and type Android Studio. Select the first link. Go down in the bottom, you will find other download option for Windows and Linux. Developer.com automatically detects which operating system you are using. Let's download Android Studio and click on Agree. It will take a lot of time to download. After downloading it, just open it and click on Next. You can create a new project or existing project also. Select Empty Activity. You can change your project name and folder directory. Our project has created. In next video, we will learn how to make our first application with Hello World. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.